how to activate Windows 10 drivers into your system, into your laptop. You can type in the search box device manager. This is a device manager. This is a device manager. You can see the device manager. Click the device manager. This is a window of the device manager. Here is a different drivers in your systems. If you want to update any device drivers, for example, I update the display adapter driver, then click in Intel HD graphics family, right click and update. Click the update button. There is a two options: search automatically for drivers and browse by computers for drivers. Search automatically for drivers is you can search the drivers from the internet, and here you can locate the drivers from your system manually. So I can search automatically for drivers. Click there. So the drivers of your device is already installed and update. So if you want to update another device, for example, I update the network adapters driver. Here are different adapters. If I want to Bluetooth device personal area network update, so update driver button. Search automatically for drivers. Windows will search your computer for the best available drivers and install in on your device. Click here. So Windows has determined that the best driver of this drive is already installed. So this is a way you can update drivers automatically in your system. If you want to update the driver manually, for example, I want to update the device software devices, Microsoft GS wavelength, right click, update driver. If I want to update drivers manually, click this button. This will ask you search the drivers in your location. If my drivers are located in my C drive or my D drives or any other drive, so you can locate. You can find different locations where your drivers are located, so you can find any drivers in your system. So this is another way to locate the drivers. Click the back, and there are two options how to want to search the drivers on your system. So this option is used for online searching, and this option is used for manually searching. So these are the two ways from which you can update the drivers on your system.